gonna get dangerous soon if I can't see ahead of me. This was forecasted, by the way, so I was prepared, but dang, it went from cute rainbow to look at this. I arrived at my workplace, so now I'm gonna go ahead and go to work. My car's gonna be here all day, so I didn't bring any food. And so afterwards, I'm gonna go get some food and some drinks, some ice at the local H-E-B or Walmart. And then I realized actually at my work that I forgot to bring a cooking source. During one of the breaks at work, I went and called the nearest store that had a attachment to my bonfire that I'll show you later. And so that has a grill attachment, the solo stove. So some of you might be familiar with that. It's expensive. It hurts. But I also want to make this video, and I want to make the content, and I want to show you some of the comparisons, and I want to have fun out there, and I don't want to be worrying about, oh, I don't have food, and handy dandy Ace Hardware. It's the only store that
turn right, and your destination will be on the left.
I think this is probably the biggest Ace Hardware, probably the nicest Ace Hardware. Dude, what the heck? They have kayaks, Yetis. Look how huge this. And now it's time to rock and roll. Drive very, very slow. As long as I can see in front of me. I have my headlights on so I can see the car in front of me. Oh boy. This is crazy. What the heck is this? I think there's a car out there. I'm driving very slow. I'm going 21 miles per hour. And sunset is in 1 hour, so not too bad. See, look, it's already getting better. I don't want to open my window because I'm terrified of lightning, and I swore I saw a flash of lightning earlier close by. So my iPhone's still pulling down. Turn that off here. Look, see, it went away. never camped near the beach. So look at, see what's gone. Look at this. Amazing. Look at this. I'm gonna put my window down. Ooh, look at that. Smells like fish, actually. That was exciting. Look at that. I know some of you are probably thinking that I'm crazy for doing this, but I learned early on that it's okay to be a little bit risky. I think it's worth it to get some adventure, to have some fun. It's like, look at this. I mean, come on. That's so cool. And we're about to hit golden hour. It's 7:14. And so we're about to see, hopefully, some beautiful lighting out here. Look at that, dude. I just was laughing because this is just, I'm like I'm like drifting a little bit here. I mean, it's not bad. Look at it, say it stopped raining, but I just thought of Drax, you know, from Guardians of the Galaxy, where where he's just laughing while he's like in a battle zone, or when he crashes into the Kree ship. That's kind of how I felt. It's fun. Okay, don't judge my shirt. I got it for free. I'm having fun, honestly. Mosquitoes are kind of biting me, but I think the ideal time to come would probably be like October or something. It's not too hot. Honestly, I've been running around like crazy, so that's probably why I'm a little hotter than normal. And then actually good to have a fire because that'll scare the mosquitoes away. So now I'm actually gonna go set up the rest of my stuff now that I'm dressed appropriately. I think I'm gonna stay barefoot. I don't see any glass or anything, so that should be good. I gotta go check on this fire real quick. Okay. Look at this. Oh, that might not be the best idea. Oh well, we'll figure it out if it goes out. Ah, jeez, these mosquitoes. They're going through my shirt, I think. Ah. Yeah, I need to set up my camp chair to be away from all those. Woo, baby! I almost stepped on this. Oh boy. Yeah, I should probably wear my sandals. That would have been very dangerous. Would have ended my trip, maybe. Oh, that was stupid of me. I should not have thrown that out there for someone else to get injured. Oh, but now I'm barefoot. Ah! Where did it go? Ugh! I just swallowed some sand. Ugh! The mosquitoes are brutal. Ah! I did not plan for that. That's it. Good night. What in the world? What the heck? This thing doesn't have front legs. Alright, bye. That was so cool. Good morning. I look like a mess. It was a rough night. Eventually I fell asleep. I got like a good 3 hours. Like 3 a.m. I finally probably fell asleep. Ugh. So I got a time lapse of the sunrise, so hopefully that looks okay. It's like my first time doing that for that long. It's time to make some coffee, and I wish I had my other cooking method, because this is not the most efficient. It works, but it's not the most efficient. Yes, I will do a tour of my area. It's just busy trying to get my coffee stuff and to film that video, and I'm gonna do the tour of my stuff, official tour. Do you hear that thunder? That's cool. As long as it's at a distance. I'm kind of nervous about these clouds. They are intense. Oh gosh! Terrified of lightning. I just saw a flash of lightning. Okay, so I'm inside my car right now. I was already planning on being inside of the car, but it started raining really fast and I saw some lightning. So that was crazy. Sitting here and just waiting for my stuff to charge up. I'm having fun. This is probably one of my favorite things, and just because I'm relaxing and I'm in AC, no mosquitoes are biting me, and this is my view. It's just so peaceful, and that's why I created this channel. I was just thinking about that, and how I don't care if I'm not roughing it completely, and that's not why I created this. I didn't create a adventure lifestyle, whatever you want to call it, to show off my amazing outdoor. That was my GoPro. I didn't make it for that. I made it to share my love of nature, adventure. I work a 9-to-5 job. I have a master's degree. I've spent a lot of time in books, writing essays. And I love that, actually. I mean, I love scholarly stuff. But I love enjoying nature, taking a break from all of that. I like thinking and meditating. I'm a Christian, so I also pray and spend time with God, and it's just a good time. Even if you're not a Christian, you can at least enjoy the peace that it brings, you know. And I hope people find God, but I think nature is one way for people to find peace and to find God. Yeah, well, hopefully you're enjoying this so far. I'm having a good time, and I'm still drinking my coffee. see me okay. Still trying to figure out the best situation here. I decided to come here and sit in the water because I was getting eaten by mosquitoes. My goodness. Yeah, you don't need to see more of that, but I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because when I go back to my camp area, I'm gonna have to rush and pack everything because those mosquitoes are crazy, especially in the morning. So I've just been sitting here and thinking through like how enjoyable this has been. Like I'm a pretty, I would say, mildly stoic kind of guy. As you've seen, I have a very goofy, weird, fun side. But yeah, I've needed more adventure in my life, which is why I started this channel. And I like being creative, so I thought this would be fun. Look at this thing. Oh, I probably shouldn't stare at it directly. Okay, I gotta stop this for a second.